In today's video, I'll show you how to set up shipping in GoDaddy. Perfect for new e-commerce stores or fine-tuning your existing setup. First, open your browser and go to godaddy.com. Log into your account to access all the backend features. From your dashboard, navigate to the Websites Plus Marketing section and find the website you want to set up shipping for. Click the Manage button to access its settings. Next, expand the Store section on your dashboard and select Delivery Methods. Here you'll see options to add a basic shipping method or create a custom method tailored to your needs. Common options include free shipping, local delivery, and in-person pickup. Choose the ones that fit your business model. Click Add next to your chosen method to configure it. For free shipping, set a label, minimum order amount, and applicable regions. For flat rate or percentage per order, define the label, amount or percentage, and regions. For weight-based shipping, specify weight ranges, costs, and regions. Finally, make sure to click Save to apply all your settings. And that's it. Your GoDaddy store now has fully configured shipping options ready for your customers to use.